This how to 1 minute will show you how to create to-do list in WordPress. To create a to-do list, first of all, let's install and activate a plugin. Hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type to-do block and search for it. And this is the plugin we are going to use. So install this plugin and activate it. Once the plugin activated, let's create a new post to add to-do list. And I'm writing the post title to-do list, and now click on add block, and here in the search box type to-do, and here you will get a to-do list through the plugin. So click on it to add it. Once it's added, click on add item and add here to-do items. Once you added to-do items, press on enter to add another item. That's how. Press enter to add more items. Once your to-do items added, you can check any items like this and click on publish, and let's view the post. And as you can see, I've successfully added to-do list on my WordPress. You can also highlight any to-do list item. Just select the item and click on style and click on background, and you can select any color. Click on text and you can select any text color, and let's update it, and let's reload the post. As you can see, the list is highlighted, and again you can select any item, and you can enable read only, or you can enable disable. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.